What's up, family status? I hope everyone having a great morning, great evening, great afternoon. Today I'm gonna show you how easy it is to turn your ginger harvest into powder. Turning your ginger harvest into powder is super easy. All you need is two things, a dehydrator and a blender. But if you don't have a dehydrator, you can also use an oven. Today we're gonna turn some of our ginger into powder using a dehydrator. And this is from our ginger harvest. Remember, this is some of it. We're also gonna dehydrate some of the stems. Let's see what they look like. So the first thing we're gonna do before we start dehydrating our ginger is cutting it into thin slices. And the reason we cut our ginger into thin slices is so it doesn't take a long time to dehydrate. So you see this? This is perfect for the dehydrator. You don't want to put a whole piece of ginger in there like this because it'll probably take 3 days to dehydrate. But if you cut it into thin slices, it'll only take hours. So make sure you cut your ginger into thin slices before you start dehydrating. Oh man, I wish you guys could smell how good it smells over here. So now that we're finished cutting all of our ginger into thin slices, all we have to do now is put our ginger in the dehydrator. Fresh ginger from the garden. You guys didn't watch the video of us harvesting this ginger? You should check it out. Fresh ginger from the garden. Let's see. Yeah. What up? So this dehydrator automatically dehydrates everything at 165 degrees. Check this out, fam. I'm glad we harvested our ginger 2 weeks ago because it's been 30 degrees all week. And this is exactly what our ginger would have looked like. And this is turmeric. Check it out. So if you're wondering, can your turmeric or ginger survive in 30-degree temperatures? No. You can tell your ginger is ready when it snaps like this. Check it out, fam. Fresh ginger powder.